So this episode will cover the plans and requirements for building a driveway and attaching to the county road. Although this county road is kind of a piece of crap and it's not maintained by the county, there's still requirements that are needed, and you got to have a permit. Welcome back to Colorado Log Home Build Season 1, Episode 2. Example is where your property meets the county road. In some cases you got to have a culvert, depends on the upper slope. On this one, the water runs down the southern side where all the snow builds up, so it wasn't a requirement to have a culvert underneath the road. And luckily I didn't have to bring down too many trees for this. So with the Kubota tractor, I began clearing some trees, leveling the land so I could get my motorhome in, so I could spend the night if needed. Had a base to work out of, and that way I was able to start clearing my road. On actually the very first tree I cut down, I had a real issue getting the root ball out. I used the Kubota backhoe and I broke the arm off. And a little further investigation, I noticed that there's a spot where the brake is new and a part where the brake is old. Lucky for me, Home Depot was able to send a tech out overnight next day and replace the arm on the backhoe, so I was back to work. So here's the road coming in. Come down like this. There's going to be the garage over here. House will be over there. And there's the road leaving. Where I had leveled the ground out for the garage was a perfect place to set the motorhome. But I also came to realize that that Kubota tractor is not going to hack it. I had the Kubota tractor from Home Depot. Compact Power, I believe, is the company that Home Depot uses. For approximately 2 weeks, it was actually not 2 weeks consecutive, but probably 3 weeks apart. It was around $1,200 to $1,500 a week, and that I think includes the delivery cost. I purchased this bad boy. It's got a front loader, it's got a grader, it's got chains on it. My neighbor had it. It was a hell of a deal. $5,000. Runs like a top to the day. So with the new Ford tractor that I just bought, I was able to level the driveway better, smooth it out, compact the garage. Also, I was able to bring down trees. Very simple. Now, I think the largest tree on my property is probably 12 inches in diameter, and I'm able to raise the bucket up, lean the bucket against the tree, rock back and forth until the tree and the root ball come up. So that was a major time saver, and I still have that tractor and it's still doing a hell of a job. Thank you for watching.